accolade shit. It's hard when somebody builds you all up and you don't come out and you don't be good. I don't give a shit. I don't care. So say whatever you want about me. But I like to give them what they do. What they do. And even artists right here, I want y'all to put your hands together for that last 7 of Versified Expressions. My man, the Messenger. Show me love.
How y'all doing tonight? Y'all enjoying yourselves? Yeah. All right, I think I'm the Messenger. I'm geared towards more the women. You ever like been in love with somebody that was in a relationship with somebody else? Yeah. All right, well that's what this is about. While you up at 4 in the morning wondering what is about your man, I'm praying that God sends me the gift of your presence. Letting my being be consumed by your physical canvas and intelligence. But I can't stand there feeling away for him to hurt you, so maybe you come crown my chest until you fall asleep. Because what I see in you is beauty beyond its peak, and in happiness is the only time you should weep. And as you hear these words that my heart speak, you know it's your name that pounds to that perfect rhythm beat. Or my love that's screaming for a chance to be with you. Because I turn my back on this world if it could be me and you. Because I have everything I could possibly want or need. But you are true to a man who stands over your body after a domestic dispute. And you're confused if you should leave, because as your nose bleed, he says, I love you, and promises to never do it again. Only to find that you had to defend for your life when he gets back in his drunken rage. Your mind screams, forget this pain, but your heart hangs to every word he says. Your mind knows, your heart holds an empty emotion, but your heart is a hopeless romantic that has cried enough to form his own ocean. So I suggested some simple solutions. Let me drown in love. You know, go deep, sea diving, dwelling, till you tell me to come back up. And I know he held you down for years, but I hold you higher than the sun so the world can see you shine. And you don't have to worry about boyfriend number 1 or 2, because I'll be your one and only. But now it's 5:30 in the morning and I can't stop crying because I don't have you here to hold. But just let me know when I wake that you will let me show you how true love is supposed to. Thank you.